I will show you how to delete Facebook page. First, open your Facebook. Then click the profile picture at the bottom right. Choose which page you want to delete. Then click the bottom right. Choose the search button and type delete. Choose deactive or delete this page. Click delete page. After that, continue. Choose a reason why you are deleting it. You can still save important files before deleting your account. After that, you have successfully deleted your Facebook page.
Thanks you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure you hit subscribe button.